I was young, I thought it was all about the speed, the power, and the harshness of the car. How long did it take it to go from 0 to 100? And how many horsepower did it have?
But with time, as I got older, I realized it's not about how fast you arrive at your destination, but how comfortable and calm the ride there was. How the lack of noise from your exhaust let you hear the birds, the people, the sounds of the world. It had me realize that it's not always about the speed or the horsepower, but how calm it can make you feel in such a goddamn stressful world. And somehow, that made my life a lot better. Not all cars needs to be fast or make a lot of noise. Some needs to be calm, low, and slow. They don't all need neon bright colors. Some needs to be silver. Without the blue fabric seats, your leather ones wouldn't feel as great. Without the hatchbacks, the coupes wouldn't feel special. If no cars had rust, scratches, and bumps, none would have any history at all. And without history, we would commit the same mistakes over and over again. So instead of impressing your friends with speed, impress them with how much crap you can fit into your trunk. Tell them about how safe your car is so you can take your friends anywhere. How it's more sustainable and how low your fuel costs are. How your LED lights up the dark so you can fear no evil. How it keeps your phone charged so you can play all your favorite songs all night. Impress them with all these buttons on your steering wheel that probably does something. And if my girlfriend ain't around, this air freshener. But most importantly of all, how fucking low it is and how you can't go fucking anywhere.
If you want to buy this car, go to fin.no, search for number 260841399 and slide into my DMs with a reasonable offer. Payment options are either cash if you're a drug dealer or Vips if you're really cool. Thanks.